Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen timeout on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin. First, you want to simply navigate into your settings. Then, you want to scroll down a little and enter display. In here, you can scroll down once again, and finally you should be able to see screen timeout. As you can see, currently it is set to 30 seconds, and this means that after 30 seconds of an activity, our screen will automatically lock itself. I will bump up this value to, for example, 5 minutes. And by the way, you can always enable keep screen on while viewing, so you can have still like the first very low timeout, while also not having that very annoying issue of having your screen turn off even though you're actually using it. Just note that, generally speaking, the higher the value, the bigger battery usage, on average. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye!